Hello, butterfly friends. I thought we would enjoy a wonderful day outside. We're having some great spring weather. We are going to take a look at today how our butterflies are doing since they've emerged. We're going to watch them eat some juicy nectar with their proboscis, so we'll see that. Also, look at how they're going to camouflage. Look at their wing design. But since we're outside, I want to talk about what they're going to be eating out here and how they get here. So remember we talked about at the very beginning of our adventure about the monarch butterflies and how the monarch butterflies migrate to Mexico, and then when it's warmer they come back to more central Illinois. So here is remember our monarch caterpillar and the design. Well, here's something really interesting about caterpillars and butterflies. Caterpillars have what are called host plants. And host plants are those that they tend to go to and where they would eat off of. So remember our monarch caterpillar, they actually eat this special plant, and that's called milkweed. And I want to show you what that plant kind of looks like. This is a kind of it's made out of paper, so it's kind of a sample one, but this is what a milkweed looks like. So if we want more monarch butterflies in our world, we need to make sure that we are planting milkweed so they have some place to come and some food to eat. And butterflies are super important to me and to you. Not only are they beautiful to watch, but they're also called pollinators. And pollinators are super important because they help pollinate. Remember, with their legs, they touch the parts of the flower. Well, they pick up the pollen and then spread it to other plants. That's super important because we need pollination in order for our food to grow. So butterflies are pollinators, and so are bees. Bees are super exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down. And remember, this is our monarch butterfly. So if we want to see these beautiful guys, we need to see these fun fellas and plant ourselves some milkweed. So let's take a look at how our butterflies are doing right now. Checking out those beautiful butterflies and their wings. Let's see if he'll open it up for us. If we can see the proboscis at all. Yeah, kind of tucked in there. Let's take a look at this little guy. He is on the little food station. He unrolled his proboscis and he is having a little dinner. Let's take a look at that, see if we can get any closer. What he's eating is sugar water. So I put a sugar packet in about 2 tablespoons of water, stirred it up, and then he used a dropper to put it on the little sponge. And he is just slurping it up. Do you see the proboscis moving? Also in there is an orange. I saw some of them eating a little juicy orange the other day. Wasn't that incredible, friends? Did you see that proboscis drinking up that juicy nectar from the orange? I thought that was amazing. I'm so excited that I was able to capture that and share it with you. Well, you guys, again, get out there, have a great day. It is beautiful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care, bye-bye.